Hi folks, and welcome back to Old School Customs. So today I'm putting in this threshold going into the bathroom, and I just marked out a bunch of holes and hammer drilled into this old marble threshold here. Now I'm going to set these concrete anchors in there and get some screws to hold this down. And take it from there. Hopefully I drilled a big enough hole. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, so plan B. Plan B, make hole bigger. Alright, so I kind of routed them out a little bit with the drill bit. That one fit in there nicely. Nope. Nope. Alright, so I've always learned to add additional adhesion where possible. So let me clean this mess up and I'll be right back at you. Alright, on this thing, it's got like a little 3M strip, and I didn't want to solely rely on that, so I drilled holes in this because they didn't have the one at Lowe's that had the holes. And I'm going to add extra adhesive so get this thing to really stick good. And I don't want it coming loose and what have you, so alright, extra adhesion. Hopefully my screws go in nicely. Bing bang boom, put a piece of shoe molding in front of it. And voila! There we go. My drill, some screws. Now I'm going to cut a piece of shoe molding at 28 inches and put it right in front of that. Alright, so got me a piece of shoe molding. So I'm going to put it like that. And I'm going to put a little bit of adhesion. So when that adhesion sits up, that'll be done. So the next one I'm gonna do is this one behind me. I guess this thing is gonna just have to be cocked on an angle because there's really not a whole lot I could do with this fucking thing. So I picked up some longer, I think, some screws. They're silver. And let's see what we could damage here. That's touching. I think I got longer screws. Alright, that's good enough for that. It's sitting pretty flat. Nice and tight, both of them. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do here is pull this air conditioner out, and I have water dripping in, so I'm going to make a drip pan and I'm going to aim it outward. So let me get started with that now. Alright, so I got a pan in there. It's completely 100% underneath the AC unit, and it's aiming outward, and there's holes at the very end, so I'm going to clean up this floor and we'll keep an eye on it here until the rest of the day. Alright folks, so Unit 6 is ready for someone to move in. It's all clean, mop and glued, thresholds clean. So apparently tomorrow we're taking these back out of here and new ones are being delivered Saturday. Tomorrow's Friday. So tomorrow we'll pull those back out of here. Say hi. He's a millionaire! Thank you for watching Old School Customs. Subscribe, leave a comment, hit the like button. Choo choo.